It will be a short class, and then we will discuss about the coming quiz. And next class we have quiz, and for quiz topics are uh, same simple topics, even and odd functions, increasing and decreasing function. Yes, next inverse function, inverse of a function, and shifting graph. These are only four topics for coming quiz. In next class you have quiz. So four topic. Even odd function, increasing and decreasing function, inverse of a function, and shifting graphs. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good,
Good.
excellent. Okay, today, sorry, I think, okay, it's okay. No, not. Oh, sorry, I think I opened a wrong document, so let me check again. Wait, guys. Vertically and horizontally. If we want to shift graph vertically, like for vertically, what we have, we need to add uh, a number with function f of x plus minus k value, plus you can shift upward, and with minus you can shift downward the graph. Yes, and for horizontally shifting, if you want to send to shift horizontally, so we can add, yeah, we can replace x with x plus 1 or x minus 1. Okay, give me just a minute. Okay, horizontally shift and vertical shift. For vertically shifting, add plus minus value with a function, and for horizontally shifting, okay, replace x with x plus 1 or x minus 1. So it depends. It depends. If you want to shift on positive x axis, so x minus value, x minus k, like 1, 2, 3. If you want to shift on negative x axis, so x plus k value, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, some multiple choice question. So try this one and tell me which option is correct. For example, if we have y is equal to x square and we want to shift 4 units to the right side. We want to shift on right side. So what will be the equation after transformation? 4 unit to the right side, where parent function or main function is y is equal to x square. Yes,
It will be x minus 4 all to the power of 2.
excellent, excellent. Then we need to replace x with x minus 4. So y is equal to x minus 4 whole square. Excellent, well done. Next one. Yes, we have y is equal to f of x equal to x square, and we want to shift this 4 unit to right side, 4 unit, and 3 unit downward. So what will be the new function? 4 unit right side and 3 unit downward. So what will be the new function? Yes,
Sir, I think it is x minus 4 all to the power of 2 minus 3.
excellent, excellent. If we have a parent function, y is equal to x square. So for right side, replace x with x minus 4, And for downward, add minus 3 with function. So first of all, y is equal to x minus 4 whole square, and we have minus 3. So this will transfer to the 4 unit on right side and 3 unit downward. Okay, so who will tell me about this question? Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Yes, think about it.
It's option.
It's option number. Yes,
D, Professor.
option option number D.
Letter D.
Yes, sir. Option D is the correct one.
Okay, yes, thank you guys. Option number D is correct. Because x plus 6, so plus we have, so this will shift 6 unit on left side, not right side. 6 unit on left side, and we have minus 6, so minus 6 means that downward, yeah, 9 unit down. Great, excellent. Next question. Yes, which option is correct?
Sir, it's B.
B is correct.
Sir, I think it's B.
Okay, B. Okay, let me check.
I think B, sir, yeah.
Okay, B is correct. You all think B is correct?
Yes, sir. B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yes, B is correct, guys. Thank you. Option number B is correct. Okay, you can see here in main function is given f of x is equal to x under the root. If you want to shift 4 unit to the left, so left side, this means that replacing x with x plus 4. Okay, 6 unit upward. So for upward, you need to add plus 6. So which option is correct? B or D?
It's D, sir.
Yes, D is correct. Yes, yes, D option is correct. X plus 4 under the root plus 6. Replacing x with x plus 4 because this is on left side. And for upward, you need to add plus 6 here. So D option is correct, not B. Okay, great, excellent. Last one, yes, we have f of x is equal to 1 over x, and if we want to shift like f of x 1 over x plus 7, so graph will shift on, yes, left side, right side, downward and upward.
Sir, C can be the right one? No. That's is it? Is it?
Yes, first one, shift the graph of the reciprocal function up to 7 units. Shift the graph reciprocal function left 7 unit. Shift the graph reciprocal function down 7 unit, or D1 right 7 unit. Which one?
B, I think.
Yes, Mr. B option is correct because we have main function, a parent function equal to 1 over x, and if you replace x with x plus 7, so f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 7. This means that we shift the graph inverse function 7 unit on left side. Left side is okay, guys. Great, excellent. Okay, it was shifting graph, but vertically and horizontally. Now, next topic, our new topic is shrinking and stretching graph. How, for example, graph will be shrink and how graph will be stretch. Sometime you will see the graph is expanding. Sometime you will see graph is contracting. So, if we have a function, let's suppose f of x equal to x square, and if we multiply with a number like k, but k is greater than 1, this must be greater than 1, like positive values. So like 2, 3, 4, so graph will shrink. And if we multiply or if we divide, like f of x is equal to x square, if we multiply with a decimal number like 0.2, or if we divide by a number 4 or 5 by 6, so the graph will expand the sidewise, like it will stretch. How this happen? Let's see, and let's draw some graph on graph
Excuse me, sir.
calculate. Yes,
This can always should be greater than 1.
yes. For example, for was first one, this should be greater than 1. 2, 3, 4 values are possible. And next one, we have decimal value. Like, yes, division or decimal both are same. For example, if you divide a function by 2, so we can also write like 1 over 2 f of x, and we can also write 1 over 2 in the form of 0.5 f of x. So if you multiply with a value greater than 1, and if you multiply with a value which is in decimal form less than 1, 0.9, 0.8, 0.7. So what will happen? Let's see in graph calculator. Okay, can you see this graph calculator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, excellent, mister. Excellent. Okay, we have y is equal to x square, graph of y is equal to x square. And if you multiply with a number, positive number, y equal to 5x square. You can see this one is original function. This one is, red one is for x square. When you multiply with 5 numbers, so graph is shrinking. It's contracting. Moving down, up, moving inner side. Like if you multiply with y is equal to 10x square, you can see this green one. So multiplying with a positive number greater than 1, so graph will shrink. But
So when the number is increasing, it means the graph is
yes,
shrinking.
yes, graph is shrinking. Like let's try for 20, y is equal to 20x square. Now you can see this blue one, graph is shrinking. If you multiply with 50, y is equal to 50 into x square. Yes, you can see this black one. So multiplying with a positive number greater than 1, so graph will shrink. Same for division, so graph will expand. Let me try the division. If we have a function y is equal to x square, you can see the graph. Now what will be if you divide by a number? Y is equal to, we have x square and then divided by 2. Can you see the graph is expanding? Now if we divide it by another value, y is equal to x square divided by 4, this green one. So this one expanding. If you divide it by 10 or 9, y is equal to x square divided by 8. So graph is expanding. Clear, guys? This red one is for x square.
Yes, sir.
X square divided by 2, so
Yes.
expanding. X divided by same decimal number, y is equal to, okay, let me finish this one. Okay, y is equal to, if you multiply with a decimal number like 0.2 into x square, both are same. Decimal value or division, both are same. This graph will expand. Now if we multiply with negative number, what will happen, guys? Think about it. If we multiply with a negative number, or if we divide with a negative number, yes, what will happen to the graph when we multiply with negative number or divide with
I
negative
think,
number?
sir, it comes down.
Yes, excellent. This is called, that one is
The
called,
graph will be
yes,
down.
yes, down, that one is called reflection of a graph. For example, we have y is equal to x square, it open upward. You can see it open upward. But if you multiply with negative number, y equal to minus x square. So minus x square. You can see same graph but in downward. Then this parabola open downward. Excellent. This is called a reflection of a graph. So y is equal to x square and y is equal to minus x square. These are reflection of one another. Great, excellent. Same, for example, if we have y is equal to 7x square, then y equal to minus 7 into x square. So both are same, just a reflection of one another downward. Same in division, if you divide by a negative number, so it will show a reflection. Y is equal to, let's suppose we have 10x square and y is equal to, we have 10 into x square, and if you divide by, let's suppose, minus 1, so this will be downward. This will show same reflection. One is upward, second one is downward. So shifting graph, these are called the stretching and shrinking of graph, and also reflection of graph. Any question? And shifting graph vertically, horizontally, shrinking, then stretching, and also reflection. Any question in these topics?
No,
Sir,
break
can
the
we
square.
write x to the power of 2 x minus 1?
Tell me, y is equal to what?
Y is equal to x to the power of 2 over
X,
x minus 2
x to the power of 2 over
over x minus 2.
x minus 2. Yes, the graph. Clear? And one thing,
Yes, sir,
yes,
thank you.
one thing from the graph. From graph, you can easily find the value of domain and range. X values are domain values, y values are the range values. You can see from this graph that range is 0 to minus infinity, because graph is not in positive quadrant like on positive y-axis. So all range we'll use is, you can see from 0 till infinity, you can see negative y-axis. Okay, any other question?
Sir, I just wanted to ask that in shrinking and stretching, the graph will just go up and down now? It won't go to left and right.
No, miss. Shrinking and stretching, when graph is expanding or when graph is contracting. So when you multiply with a positive number, plus 2, 4, 5, so graph will decreasing, like graph will be contracting, shrinking. But when you divide by a number, so graph will expand. Yes, and sidewise graph is expanding when you multiply. Just reflection is multiplying or dividing with negative number. When you multiply with negative number, so same graph, but it will be in opposite direction. Downward, upward, right side or left side.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Anything else?